Namaste students. I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic. Uh, Today I will discuss about the topic approaches of drug targeting. So the strategies of drug targeting. So the passive targeting. The drug delivery system which are targeted to system circulation are characterized as passive delivery system. In this technique, drug targeting occurs because of the body's natural response to physicochemical characteristic of the drug or drug carrier system. So inverse targeting. In this type of targeting, attempts are made up of avoid passive uptake of colloidal carriers by RES reticuloendothelial system, and hence the process is referred to as inverse targeting. To achieve inverse targeting RES, normal function is suppressed by pre-injecting large amount of blank colloidal carriers or macromolecules like dextran sulfate. So this approach leads to saturation of RES and suppression of defense mechanism. This type of targeting is an effective approach to target drugs to non-RES organs. Active targeting. In this approach, carrier system bearing drug reaches to specific site on the basis of modification made on its surface rather than natural uptake by RES. So the surface modification technique include coating of surface with either a bioadhesive non-ionic surfactant or specific cell or tissue antibodies, that is monoclonal antibodies, or by albumin protein, and type of the first order targeting organ compartmentization and second order targeting cellular targeting. So the third order targeting is the intracellular targeting. So the ligand mediated targeting achieved using specific mechanisms such as receptor dependent uptake of the natural LDL particle and synthetic rapid lipid microemulsions of partially reconstituted LDL particles coated with the apoprotein. So the physical targeting, in this type of targeting some characteristics of the environment, uh, changes like pH, temperature, light intensity, electric field, ionic strength, small and even specific stimuli and like glucose concentration are used to localize the drug carrier to predetermined site. This approach was found exceptional for tumor targeting as well as cytosolic delivery of entrapped drug or genetic material. So the dual targeting. In this targeting approach, carrier molecule itself have their own therapeutic activity and thus increase the therapeutic effect of drug. For example, a carrier molecule having its own antiviral activity can be loaded with antiviral drug, and the net synergistic effect of drug uh, conjugate was observed. And double targeting temporal and spatial methodologies are combined to target a carrier system. Then targeting may be called double targeting. So the spatial placement relates to targeting drugs to specific organs, tissues, cells, or even subcellular compartment, whereas temporal delivery refers to controlling the rate of drug delivery to target site. So the types of targeted drug delivery system: nanotubes. They are hollow cylinder made up of carbon atoms which can be filled and sealed for the potential drug delivery, and the application is the cellular scale needle for attaching a drug molecule to cancer cells as an electrode in thermocells. So the nanowire pinpoint damage from injury and stroke, localize the cause of seizures and detect the presence of tumors and other brain abnormalities. So the application, technique techniques has potential as a treatment for Parkinson's and similar disease. The nanocells are hollow silica sphere and covered with gold, and scientists can attach antibodies to their surfaces and enabling the shells to target certain cells such as cancer cells. Application techniques has potential for targeting cancerous drugs. And the quantum dots are minuscule and semiconductor particle that can serve a signpost of certain types of cells or molecular in the body. So the application is techniques has potential for targeting cancerous drugs. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.